Hello, I have a recipe for you for delicious and instant pasta with bacon and asparagus. Be sure to prepare it at home. The dish is scrumptious. You can find the list of ingredients in the description under the video. Fry the bacon in a dry pan, cut into small cubes. When the bacon starts to brown, add the asparagus, cutting off those hard ends. I also set the heads aside for a while. Fry everything for about 5 minutes. Add the asparagus heads, half a glass of water from cooking the pasta, and stew everything for about 3 more minutes. Finally, add the cooked pasta. Mix everything together. Sprinkle with grated Parmesan cheese. Our delicious and instant dinner is ready. On my blog, you'll find all my recipes. Thank you so much for today. Catch you later.